Hi everyone, I'm Mandy from Gel Essentials. Today I'm going to be doing this set using Acryl gel. So I've already prepped this set and sculpted using clear Acryl gel as a base. And on the first nail I'm going to start with bright white and just apply it to the nail. It only needs to be a fairly thin coat, just enough so you've got enough coverage, just on the tip of the nail. And then I'm just gradually I'm waiting for my brush actually to get quite dry, because the drier your brush is, the more it'll drag the product up, and it just needs to blend so you haven't got a harsh line. And then once you're happy, cure for 90 seconds. Next I'm using Pink Shimmer, which is one of our gorgeous Acryl gel colours. Actually looks a lot more nudie colour in this video. It's kind of a combination between nude and pink, but it is very pink. For some reason it's not showing as very pink in the video, but it is. So you want to just gently pat onto the nail. Gorgeous product to work with Acryl gel. It's so easy to use. You've got complete control with it until you're ready to cure it. So just brush down the nail. Again, dip in your brush if you feel that the product starts to stick. And then as your brush starts to dry out, just apply a little bit more pressure and blend it down the nail. And then once you're happy, cure for 90 seconds. And then this nail happened completely by accident. I was going to marble it, and then I placed the product on like that and thought, quite like the look of that. So this one is just a combination of the two colours. And I'm going to do a bit more playing around with that because I quite like the idea of it. And then when you're ready, cure for 90 seconds. So on this nail I decided to do a full cover of Pink Shimmer. Exactly the same process as before. I've speeded it up for you because it is just what we've done before, but it is full coverage and it does let you see the colour and how easy it is to use. And then that also wants curing for 90 seconds. And then this nail is one of my favourites. It's marbling using two colours of the Acryl gel, so Pink Shimmer and Bright White, and then just using one of our hard coloured gels called Serenity, and just randomly mixing it into the gel. Looks quite drastic, but you have to trust me on this one. And then just as you did before, just use it in exactly the same way. You will find it is slightly stickier because of the Serenity, but it doesn't affect how you apply the product. You just will get more product on your brush. then cure for 90 seconds. And once you've finished all the nails, I did the same design on the thumb as I did on this one, in case you think there's a finger missing. So just file using a 180 grit file and then both sides of the premium buffer, and then apply your top coat. And obviously I had to add some bling. I have put some clear acryl gel where I've put the gemstones, just to give them a little bit more stability. And there's the full set. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give us your comments, we love to hear from you. And don't forget, all products are available on our website, and we can now ship worldwide as well. Not all products, but we can the majority of them. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching.